Well, today was more stripping. This is the last of the fenders. I still have the doors, boot lid to go. There's one I had already done over here. That was only about an hour ago. It looks like it's already starting to flash rust. There's the other two fenders I've already done. And in here, my brother has started to weld in the passenger side floor. And he's got it flipped, can't really tell. Yeah, he's got the rocker all spot welded in. Yeah, it's got the flange up. There's all the spot welds on the bottom. Got the front spot welded in. Got the end cap spot welded in. So yeah, that fills a big hole that was in the car before. Cool. Later. Yeah, here's a graphic demonstration of what a lot of us who have stripped these cars are talking about. That dark green paint and silver stripe that was underneath the fender marker lights, that's original. All this stuff that's bubbling up over here, this is the respray. So yeah, that original Triumph paint is fairly impervious to stripper. You can even see where they had the molding that they didn't lift up to respray under it. That's not coming up. It'll take 2, maybe even 3 coats before I can get that original paint up. Go figure. Later.